Want to learn how to change the privacy of your hidden friends on our VK app? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. I am already logged in. Make sure you are as well. So to change the privacy of your hidden friends on our VK app, all you have to do is tap on these three straight parallel lines on the top left corner. Tap on Settings, below Search. Tap on Privacy, below App Settings. You can see that onto this privacy section area and on this My Profile section, just below who can view my gifts, you can see an option of who can view my hidden friends. Tap on it. Now you can choose your privacy. Either you want to show to the friends of friends, all friends, only me, hidden friends, or even certain friends. So I'm gonna tap on only me. For that, tap on this circle just in front of the particular option. And just by doing it, you have successfully changed the privacy. Now go back and you can see that you have successfully made this hidden friends private. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.